Today I'll show you how to create hidden and locked chats on WhatsApp using your Android phone. This is the easiest way to keep your private chats secure. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp app. Just hold the person's chat and select this three dot icon and select lock chats option and select continue and type your phone pin. Select next, and as you can see locked chats. Select the locked chats and type the phone pin and select continue. Now as you can see locked chats here, you can able to see. Now I'll show you guys how to hide the locked chats. Select this three dot icon and select chat lock settings. Hide locked chats. Just turn it on and select create secret code and type the secret code you want. For example, I'm gonna type private. After typing it, select next. Again type the same code, then select done option. Now locked chats are hidden and were secret code. And now go back to the main menu. To find the locked chats in search, you just need to type the secret code. In my case, private. As you can see, after typing the secret code, you can able to see locked chats with unlocked icon. Just tap it and now you can chat the person in private, and after chatting you can go back and your WhatsApp homepage you can't visible and it's private and secure, and that's how you can do it guys. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.